Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome snack, food, whatever you want to call it. They're pizza rolls. Easy to make, delicious, hot or cold. And they're not only delicious, they're super fast to do. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we'll cut our meat of choice. I'm using some sausage, you can use some bacon, anything you want. Then I'm cutting some tomatoes. You can cut any toppings you would love on a pizza. Then let's grate 400 grams of cheese. And I'm using 900 grams of puff pastry. And let's roll it out a little. Now let's add some tomato sauce on top. Then our meat of choice. Our toppings of choice, mine are tomatoes and cheese. Now let's roll our pizza up. And cut it 2 centimeters apart. Let's place it on a baking dish with some baking sheet. And add some cheese on top, because there's never enough cheese in a pizza. So let's send it to the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. When they're all done, try them hot or cold. They're gonna be delicious, I promise. And if you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel and give me a like to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.